Hey everybody, if you already know how to do this, you can totally ignore this video, but I just wanted to show you how to turn in assignments on Google Classroom. So you have to go to your classroom, you have to click classwork, and then you have to go down to the topic from where your assignment was posted. So mine was in One Introduction, Safety in Units. So, oh, there's the assignment right there, test one. Awesome. So I click it. I click the assignment. We wait till it opens. Great. So now I cannot write on this assignment here. So what I have to do is I have to go to File, make a copy, and I'm going to make a copy to my drive. And I'll hit OK. Normally I would send it to my Introduction to Physics folder, but today I'm just going to have it go directly to my drive. Select, hit OK. And from here, I can change the name of the copy. So I can call it Miss Brennan's Test 1 Doc. So I will just get rid of that. Good, Test 1 Doc. All right, it says put your name here. So I will put my name there. Awesome, so I finished the assignment. So Google already saves the document for you. So all you have to do is exit out. And this is the original document. So I'm gonna exit out of that. Great. So now I'm ready to turn in my assignment. So I go to View Assignment, and I go Add or Create, and I go down to my Google Drive, and it should show up in your Recent, but if it does not, go to the Drive, and it'll show up there. Okay, so I'm going to go to Recent, right here, Insert. Good, and now Google gives me a button to turn it in. So I will do so. Turn in your work? Absolutely, I am done. So turn it in. So I have turned it into my Google Classroom. If you have any questions on this at all, or if you need more step-by-step information on Google Drive itself or Google Classroom, please let me know and I will make more instructional videos like this. Have a good day, everybody, and I hope to see you tomorrow.